guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are in Granny Scary Obby or something like that, and I'm here with Val.
Hey guys.
And we were going to call on Tia, we record from both of our point of views, but didn't work out.
Yeah.
Also, my screen looks a little funky. I'm sorry.
You gotta open the door. Okay.
Yeah, sorry if my screen looks a little funky, and I have a new screen now because my old one's busted.
I know exactly where to go because I already played it. You're gonna grab the cookies.
Oh my goodness gracious!
This way. Grab the ad. Grab it.
Ah, my screen! I fell! I can't worry about that right now. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so scared. Does she jump scare you? Okay. Oh my god! Did you just die? Oh my god! Ah! We fell at the same time. Oh my god, I forgot to pick up my mic. Hold up. Where the heck is my mic? It fell and I don't know where it went. Okay, is it? Yep. Also, I was somehow logged out of my Roblox account when I got on my phone earlier, because I can also play Roblox on my mobile now.
Let's go. Remember, this wooden plank breaks in the middle. Oh no, you were so close.
I feel like I always die there. I was going to do face cam for this video, guys. I was actually going to do face cam for this video. Ugh! No, I dropped my mic keeps falling like it's like. I'm gonna keep it still. Like, I hope it's gonna stay still. I'm trying to bend it to make it able to stay still. Also, in Flower Miracle, Camille really needs to appear.
Yeah. Be careful. Yeah. Jump. Yeah.
Ah! My mic keeps falling like it's stupid. Okay, and we're at 3 minutes already. When the recording's only at 3 minutes right now.
Okay, let's go. Wanna walk up here?
Have you played this already?
Then you're gonna go right on this plank and walk across.
Okay. Oh my god, there's a broken window.
Careful. Bear traps.
Do they close?
Yes, they will kill you, yes.
I just fell.
Oh no. I'll wait for you at the top of the ladder. You can do it. Nope.
Oh,
The last right. Oh no. I'm waiting. I won't leave you behind.
I just died again.
These bear
Yeah, my
traps-
screen like looks a little funky. My mic fell again. Why does my phone? What? Mic keeps falling. And I'm back. Hold up. Okay.
This.
I tied the mic around the screen to the keyboard, so I can't really move it that well.
Careful.
Are you serious?
Yeah, let me help you with this one. Okay. You know how to get past these bear traps. Okay, they're gonna want to just walk across and go right up the ladder.
My screen keeps freezing. I don't know why.
Don't touch the barbed wire. Yeah, you will instantly
Have you ever
die.
played the Escape Toys R Us, Obby?
No. Granny's gonna be chasing you when you get out this window.
Oh, crap.
I know where to go, so just follow me.
Oh, crap.
This way.
I'm scared. Ah!
Go around her. Stop me.
It's not that scary. Her jump scares aren't really that scary. I just fell off the freaking map.
Oh my god, she got me again.
They're not that scary, right?
Come on.
Yeah, her jump scares aren't really that scary.
Oh, I got past her. Up into the grave.
Yeah, you're right, her jump scares aren't really that scary.
This part, there's gonna be a part that's the scariest. It's like
I fell too. Also, remember last summer when we would record videos? We're also really excited to go back to school. That means we'll stop posting more frequently, but we're really excited. Jeez.
Jack. How about we don't talk so then we can
I'm not gonna pause it because I want to complete every level on screen. Like,
Okay. Jump on here.
oh, no!
No.
Oh, you're on the bottom.
Yeah.
On my screen.
Okay, this way.
This reminds me of that one obby we played last summer.
Let's go up.
Why does this remind me of the castle obby we played last summer?
I have no clue.
Doesn't it remind you of that?
Yeah, it does.
I would edit the video to show flashbacks of that video. I hadn't privated it. Cause I would private some of my face cam videos so my face wouldn't be seen again.
Okay.
Do we control this again?
Gotta jump.
Ah!
Don't jump into the hole. There you go.
We just have to go like right off the edge and then jump. My screen froze! My screen froze.
Okay. This part is the scariest. So you're gonna follow me all the way through, okay?
What happens?
You'll see. Come on.
Is there a really scary jump scare?
Yes, very scary. This way. This way. Watch out for that kid. Ladder. Go up.
Ooh! Okay, we made it, right?
Yeah, Granny's also gonna be chasing.
Is this her scariest jump scare of all? Ah!
No, just the same.
They're always the same. Her jump scares are always the same. I fell. Where are
Granny?
you? I can't. Where are you?
Granny got me. Fell through the map.
I can't. Where the heck am I supposed to go?
Okay, follow me this way.
You're naked on my screen.
You got me.
You like a screen?
Where are you?
I'm like out of the map. Are you serious? My screen is so laggy.
Follow me, Granny. Follow me.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get back in the game. Are you? What the heck? I keep falling off the map.
Granny got stuck on my game. Granny got stuck in my game.
What happened?
Granny got stuck in my game. Okay, this way.
I just got jump scared again. Well, not really jump scared, because her jump scares is not as scary. What the heck? You don't need my mic right now. Where are you? I can't, like, my screen is so laggy. My screen keeps, like, lagging and lagging and lagging. Are you serious? I can't. Ah! Okay. Just gotta get my mic out. Frick, it went. I did not cuss. I said frick. I don't cuss on this channel. Granny just got me, which I was not expecting it. You know, I'm standing my mic up. Hopefully, hoping for the best.
Remember, Jack, you gotta open
Okay. Hello, Val. Goodness. Okay. Okay, hey!
The first part, that pillar. You see the pillar right there? Walk past.
This is so nasty. Why did I say that?
Yep, and then you can just walk on this one. And then just like this. And then I just walk down.
Have you ever found a perfect SpongeBob popsicle?
Never. I have never had one either.
I have, and they're honestly the best thing. They're honestly the best!
I'll wait for you.
My hand, I need to, you know what, I need to like somehow get my phone to stand up and put the mic right next to it, or something like that.
Jack, we're so close to the...
Really?
Yes. There's gonna be one more level, and then we get straight to the battle. I should have that said.
Why?
What?
Why did you say I should have not had said that?
Because it was supposed to be a surprise for when you saw it. I'm waiting for you. Oh, there you are.
No, are you? Why does my mic keeps falling? It's so freaking annoying. Okay. Oh my god!
I'm not leaving you behind.
Okay. I didn't need to do that. Oh my goodness. Are you excited to watch this? Val, are you excited to watch this?
Yeah.
You should see how many times I mess up.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be weird seeing it from my point of view instead of yours.
Yeah. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be really as careful as I can possibly be.
Careful.
Hoo-yah!
Yeah. Okay, up here. I'll tell you exactly what you want to be. This part is the funniest.
The funnest part of ever? Wee! Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is like speedrun. My screen froze. It's so annoying. My screen. You're frozen. Ah! My goodness.
Did you just die?
No. But this part at least is. Ah!
You did it.
I didn't do it. I flew up.
I'm waiting for you
I
though.
just flew up again.
I fell to my death.
Did you blow up?
No, I made it to the end.
Why does the car blow up when it hits the ground? Are you doing it again?
So high up.
Are you doing it again?
Yeah, I have to.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to end it off here. It's like literally almost over, so I'm gonna have to end it off here. So bye, guys. We're gonna continue. We're doing it together, pal.
Yes, we are.
Did you just fall?
No. What?
Oh my goodness! I hate this one. I can't do anything. I can't end it, so I'm just gonna continue. Have to continue here to like continue it until it ends.
Okay, this part you want to go